ka sa K-drama at nag-marathon ka, may bago kayong isasama sa listahan. Yan ang mystery series na Dear Hong Rang na pinagbibidahan ni Lee Jae-wook at Cho Bo-wa, two of the hottest K-drama stars ngayon. Siyempre, nakausap natin sila. Narito pong report. Intriga, pag-ibig at sandamakmak na plot twist with matching pasabog visuals mula sa main lead sa sina Oppa Lee Jae-wook at Jo Bo-wa. Nakapanayam natin ang dalawang bigating bida ng Korean drama na Dear Hong Rang. At balita namin, may intense at fiery scenes ang dalawa.
What was your first impression of one another, and what was the chemistry instant between the two of you?
저는 처음 만났을 때
When I first met him, I really felt like he's someone I can really trust from the beginning. I felt like I was going to be supported by my partner a lot. And in production as well, I always felt like we had great chemistry because we were able to trust each other in that way.
The feeling is mutual naman para kay Jae-wook. Chika pa niya, isa talaga sa paboritong katrabaho at leading lady sa K-drama world, si Boa.
보아 누나가 워낙
For me, honestly, Poa is already so well known in the industry to be someone who always has such a great attitude with everybody. And I almost went into it thinking that I have to really match her energy. I can't lose. I have to have that great attitude as well. And I think that overall, just the experience of working with her.
Naks! Ang pinakabagong historical fantasy na Dear Hong Rang ay isang mahiwagang kwento ng pagkakakilanlan, pamilya at pag-ibig sa panahon ng Joseon Dynasty. Si sentro ang kwento sa nagpapakilalang si Hong Rang played by Jae-wook na siyang bumalik na anak ng Sim merchant family. Si Boa naman ay si Jae-hee, ang kanyang kapatid sa ina na duda sa kanyang pagkatao. Hindi siya naniniwala na si Jae-wook ang tunay na Hong Rang. At mula rito, lumalalim ang tensyon. Unti-unting mabubunyag ang lihim na matagal nang itinatago. Napapanood na ito sa Netflix.